What's gooding to YouTube? It's your boy King to Forex, and I'm back with another motherfucking video, man. I just wanted to make a quick video on the number two things that have been helping me like incredibly increase my win rate. Obviously I still have losing trades. I'm slowly crawling out of the break-even stage, but these two things, keeping in mind these two things, have really helped me get more winning trades. Number one, selling above the midnight open and buying below the midnight open. Period. That's literally it. And the second thing is premium and discount zones. Know where you're at in the market. And honestly, if you're selling in a premium or buying in a discount, you're doing the right thing. If you're doing the opposite, you're just setting yourself up for failure. So those are the number two things that that really helped me in these past couple weeks, months, and it's really starting to click something for me. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed it. So peace.